Here are some interesting facts about the black panther. Black panthers have a condition called melanism, which results in excess dark pigmentation. Although they appear completely black, closer inspection can reveal the typical markings of a leopard or jaguar beneath their dark coat. In the Marvel universe, Black Panther possesses enhanced strength, agility, and intelligence due to the ingestion of a mystical herb. He also wears a suit made of vibranium, the strongest metal in the Marvel universe.